Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create gym energy posters using custom shapes. Start with a bold red or electric blue background, then add a giant angled shape for energy direction. Clip the athlete photo inside a sharp polygon and add a motion streaks using thin rectangles. Insert a power badge using custom shape presets. Place the headline inside a thick box shape. Add icons for calories, weight, or strength. Use triangle shapes for aggression. Add price or membership info inside a rounded shape. Place CTA at bottom.